In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare GitHub branches. Whether you're working solo or with a team, checking the differences between branches is a pivotal part of version control. By the end of this, you'll be equipped to handle branch comparisons like a pro. Let's begin by heading over to the GitHub website. If you're unfamiliar with GitHub or perhaps new to version control, GitHub is an invaluable tool for storing and collaborating on code. It's widely used across the globe, and understanding how to navigate it efficiently can greatly improve your workflow. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, the first thing you need to do is sign in. You'll find the sign in option in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login page. Here, type in your GitHub username or your email address. It's key to ensure that what you're entering is correct, as any mistakes here will prevent you from accessing your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember to keep your password secure. This means setting strong, unique passwords that aren't used anywhere else. Once you've filled in your username or email and password, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Now that you're logged in, GitHub will redirect you to your GitHub dashboard. Here you see all your current repositories, any updates and activities related to them. It's the main hub for all your GitHub activities, so you'll likely be visiting it often. To compare branches, you'll need to navigate to the specific repository you're interested in. If you're already on the dashboard, it's just a matter of clicking on the repo you want to work with. Once you're in the chosen repository, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This should end with the name of the repository. Now, to compare branches, you'll simply add compare to the end of this URL. Hit enter, and GitHub's compare interface will open. It's a powerful tool that lets you visually compare what's been changed between branches. You'll be able to select the two branches you want to compare from the drop-down menu. Exploring this tool can be very insightful. You can see the line-by-line changes, check commit histories, and merge insights for the branches you're analyzing. This feature is incredibly useful for identifying what changes have been made, why they were made, and when. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through the process of comparing branches on GitHub. With this, you can keep track of progress, stay organized, and ensure that everyone in your team is aligned with the latest changes. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.